From the National Weather Service office here in Gaylord, Michigan, this is your morning hazardous weather briefing for Tuesday, May 14th of 2013. And taking a look at the hazardous weather highlights for the next several days, we're still looking at some possible thunderstorms for tonight and into daybreak early Wednesday. Some hail and gusty winds are possible, and that's for all of northern Michigan, as well as the elevated fire danger, which is expected for Wednesday afternoon, and that is going to be for dry, gusty winds with warm temperatures. And on the current weather map, we do have high pressure stretch out across the southeast part of the country. In the meantime, we do have low pressure that was working through southern Minnesota. And well north of a warm front pushing towards the western Great Lakes region, we do have a swath of light rain showers and mainly sprinkles that were across portions of eastern upper and down across northern lower. As we step through the afternoon today, that warm front will continue to work its way into the western Great Lakes region. And then by Wednesday morning, we see that the warm front is pushed through, along with the low pressure that's set to exit northern Michigan. That'll be quickly followed by a cold front. And this is when we do expect the showers and some thunderstorms to roll across the area during the overnight hours. And as far as severe weather goes, well, we don't expect any severe weather at this particular time, although the thunderstorm chances do appear to be increasing just a little bit. And you can never rule out the possibility of one of these storms getting kind of vigorous and producing some 1-inch hail. Now looking all the way ahead into Monday morning, we see that another area of low pressure, warm front and cold front, will work into northern Michigan. And over the weekend, we do have an additional chance of thunderstorms with this particular system. Well, the warmer weather does start today. We can see high temperatures, still relatively cool across Sault Ste. Marie, Mackinac Island, and Alpena. That's due to a southeast wind coming off the colder lake water of Lake Huron. But back to the southwest, closer to the warm front, we will have temperatures rising into the 60s. And we will have some sprinkles and clouds this morning, but by afternoon, partly sunny conditions, and those warmer temperatures will be seen. And recapping the hazards outlook, we do know that the thunderstorm expectations are for tonight and into daybreak early Wednesday morning. Again, some of these storms may produce some hail. Then there's those additional chances for thunderstorms this weekend and into early next work week. Also, fire danger is elevated as we go into Wednesday afternoon with warm temperatures, gusty winds, and low humidity. And that'll wrap up this hazardous weather briefing. Please come back for our next scheduled broadcast at around 5 o'clock this afternoon. Thank you for listening to your National Weather Service here in Gaylord, Michigan.